Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to redeem a PayPal gift card in 2025. With PayPal's updates, this process is quicker than ever, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have your PayPal gift card code handy, along with access to your PayPal account. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the PayPal website or app and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Open the PayPal app on your phone or log into the PayPal website on your computer. You'll want to use the most updated version for 2025 features. Once you're in, head to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for the icon that looks like a wallet or purse. Next, in the wallet, find the option that says Add Money or Redeem Gift Card. It's prominently displayed to make things user-friendly. Now, Step 3. Enter your gift card code. You'll see a field where you can type or paste the code from your card. Double-check for any typos, as PayPal is pretty strict about accuracy. After that, hit Redeem or Apply, and PayPal will verify the code. If everything's good, the funds should be added to your account balance almost instantly. One quick tip: if your code doesn't work, it might be expired or already used, so check the details on the card. Finally, once redeemed, you can use the funds for purchases, transfers, or whatever you need. And there you have it. That's how to redeem a PayPal gift card in 2025. It's that simple and secure. If you run into any issues, PayPal's support is top-notch. Just reach out through their help center. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more handy guides. See you in the next video.